Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Okay, I know this doesn't look like a lot of stuff. My son already asked me what was wrong, why I don't have more items on my table. My big Walgreens haul I posted yesterday, Sunday. So if you're wanting to know all the amazing deals going on over at Walgreens, check out my video I posted yesterday. But in that video, I asked, hey, would you guys want to see how I stack boosters to make money buying items? And the majority of people said yes. So that is what this video is about. How I got all of these items completely free and a $9 moneymaker, but more importantly, how you can stack boosters and promotions to get the most bang for your buck at Walgreens. So what I will do is I will walk you through each of these deals individually. Then I'll show you how I put this together to make it make sense as far as making the most money. A lot of people have said, I want to know your process for how you put together deals. This will give you insight into that. So I had a paper booster. This actually printed out Sunday when I was at the store. And on here it says $9 in cash rewards when I spend $40. Okay, now these can only be used in store. There's no way to use it online or for a curbside order. So I have to do the deal in store. Now, with this spend 40, get 9, I'm stacking a spend 60, get $15 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. Now, I don't have to spend 60 plus 40, but when I spend 60, I'm gonna get the 9 from this paper booster as well as the 15 from my digital booster. So that's how digital and paper boosters stack together. So if you had a spend 20, get 5 and a digital booster and a spend 40, get 9 paper booster, you just have to spend 40. You're gonna get the 9 and the 5. Okay, hopefully you're still with me. So what I was doing is I was putting together $60 worth of products. So I got the 15 from my digital booster and I got the 9 from this paper booster. But that's not all because I'm stacking it with some other spend promotions to get the most bang for my buck. Okay, so let's talk about them. The Nexus products are spend 20, get 10. Okay, so you can already tell where the math is starting to add up. Now these Nexus products in store, the cheapest ones were $16.99. I bought 2 of them. Okay, so that is gonna get me to that spend 20, get 10 for the Nexus promotion. I had 2 $5 coupons. I used 2 paper coupons from the June 26th Unilever. Now, if you do not have that, that's okay. There is a $5 digital in the Walgreens app, so you could use that instead, plus a paper boost or plus a paper coupon or just that $5 digital. You have to make it work for you specifically, but I used 2 of the paper coupons. So just that deal alone, I would pay $23.98. Get $10 back in Walgreens Cash. But of course I didn't do the deal alone. I kept putting it together with other deals to get to those booster amounts. I also picked up the Garnier Skin Active Wipes. These are buy one, get one half off. So one is $6.99, the other is $3.49. I had a $5 digital coupon. I paid $5.48. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $2 back on each of them, so $4 back total, meaning my final cost was $1.48 for both of them or just 74 cents each. Now, the last items that I grabbed were the Crest and Oral-B products because they're on promotion for buy 2, get a $3 register reward and buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So I picked up 2 of these Crest mouthwashes at $3.99. I picked up 2 of the Glide flosses at $4. I had an $8.50 off 4 digital coupon. Okay, so I paid $7.48. I'll get back a $5 register reward and a $3 register reward. Both of those did print at the register. I'm going to tell you a little issue, but I'm going to keep it simple for a minute before I tell you about that issue. Okay, So here's how it works when you put all of this together. My total that I paid at the register after coupons was $36.94. I have to spend $60 to get that $15 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster, but that includes the manufacturer coupons. So I was there, okay? I paid $36.94. I paid with cash. I got back a $15 in Walgreens cash for my digital booster. I got back $9 in Walgreens cash for my paper booster. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash for the spend 20, get 10 on the Nexus. I got back a $5 register reward and a $3 register reward for the Crest. And I got back $4 on Ibotta. That's a total back of $46. So $36.94 I paid out in cash, and I got back $46, making everything completely free and a $9.06 moneymaker. Couple of things. Yes, that is a lot of money out of pocket. I don't do these very often. I don't do the big spend deals very often where I pay a lot out of my pocket, but I got back a ton of money in Walgreens cash that I'll be able to use going forward. So I was okay with it. You have to determine if you're okay with that or not. Can you pay down the balance with manufacturer register rewards? Yes, you can. The reason I did not use manufacturer register rewards is because they were Procter & Gamble register rewards that I had in my little coupon envelope. And I was concerned that if I used those, the Procter & Gamble register rewards would not print. So I choose to use my register rewards for different things. Again, how you choose to do it, completely up to you. Now, the issue I experienced, the $8.50 off 4 is not the digital coupon that applied. It's the one that should have applied. It's not the one that applied. I'm going to pop up a list here on the screen of all of the Crest and Oral-B coupons that I have, tons of them. I went ahead and clipped most of them, which means you never really know which one's going to come off at the register. It should have been the $8.50 off 4 because that's the one that makes the most sense for the customer, and that's how it's supposed to work. But a $3.50 digital came off. So I essentially paid $5 more than I should have, which required me to jump on the computer and chat with customer service. And they did give me the $8.50 back in Walgreens cash. Now, I know a lot of people don't like that. So if you want to get around that issue, only clip the $8.50 off 4 digital coupon and then make sure the items that you purchase qualify for that coupon. And then that $8.50 will be the one that comes off because that's the only one clipped on your account. But you can see how stacking paper booster with digital booster plus spin deals, that's how you're getting the most bang for your buck. If you're doing a spin deal and you're spending the money out of your pocket anyway, you may as well build it up to where you're getting the most cash back possible. Now, if you have questions on that, drop me a comment down below. I do have a complete video on how to use your Walgreens cash to pay for a spin deal. So if you're interested in that video, I will link it down in the video description box because that should answer a lot of questions about when you can use Walgreens cash and how you can use Walgreens cash to pay for spend deals. Like I said, I paid cash out of pocket after my manufacturer coupons came off for this deal. Now, let's say you don't want to do the Crest or you don't want to do the Garnier. Check out my video I posted Sunday because I have tons of deals that you could do to build up into a spend booster scenario. Like the Colgate are the two that come to mind for me. The Colgate toothpaste, completely free. And the Colgate mouthwash, also completely free. So those are both where you spend basically $3.98 after the coupon comes off and you get $4 in Walgreens cash back. So both of those deals are perfect to add into a spend booster scenario. All right, I hope y'all have a fantastic 4th of July. I will be coming out with a video on how I choose to use my register rewards because many of you said you wanted to see that. So I'll be putting that together for you guys soon as well. Thanks.